Okay guys, today I'm going to be doing a quick dread update for you guys. It's already been 9 months and I think I'm going to start doing it like every 2 months and not just doing it every month unless that's something you guys want. Drop it in the comments down below if y'all want me to keep updating every month. But until y'all say something about it, I'm going to keep doing it every 2 months and see how that works, you know what I mean? But yes guys, it's already been 9 months. It is crazy how fast these months are just flying by. But yes guys, not much has changed from the last video update, but I gave myself a little retwist, you know, and then it feels longer, you know, and without this bandana on, I can stretch it out to my eye. So hey, they growing and they're thick. So like I said in my other videos, hey, if your hair is getting long and you have thick dreads, and like I said, I got 20, so you'll have to deal with shrinkage a lot more than anybody else that don't have thicker dreads like this, or you know, somebody with thin dreads is gonna not really deal with that much shrinkage. Their hair is gonna look a lot longer, so that's something to think about. But yeah, you guys, it's been 9 months and hey, I'm loving it, man. Hair coming out nice. It's starting to take on its own character, its own form and shape, and I liked it. And I'm getting to where I can style it however I want. I still can't do the ponytail yet, or any type of ponytail. And braids, really, I mean, I might be able to do that if I went to a loctician, but you know, I'm not finna try it on these, because the way I did my hair, it wasn't necessarily a pattern per se. It was just me grabbing them, twisting them. Actually, my wife, she the one that started them for me this set, because like I said, I started my dreads over. If y'all been keeping up with me, y'all would know that I started my dreads over, you know, at the beginning of the year. So the first set of locks y'all didn't really see, but y'all got to see, you know, up until now, from the beginning of the year up until now, y'all got to see the process of me learning, because like I said, it's all new to me. But yeah guys, like this is what it's looking like, and I'm excited to see what's going on, you know what I mean? Comment down below, let me know what stage you are in, you know what I mean? Are you in the starter lock phase? Are you in the budding fuzzy stage, or are you in the teenager stage? I am transitioning over to the teenager stage myself, and that is amazing. Able to come this far without giving up. I salute myself, and I salute anybody who's on the same level as me and is not giving up. You haven't thrown in the towel yet, and we ain't gonna throw in the towel. We're gonna see this thing all the way through. I've never had dreads before, so I have to make sure that I stay on track, stay on this path that I'm going on. It's looking good. You know, I'm transitioning out of the ugly phase. I'm still there, but I'm slowly transitioning out of the ugly phase. I'm being able to consider myself a dread head, you know what I mean? Even though beforehand, before I reached this stage, I consider myself that, but still, I know some people can get a little intimidated because they see other people with dreads and it's more mature and it look good and luxurious and like, you know, like a king and queen, you know what I mean? Hey, we getting there slowly but surely. This is my freedom crown, and I know all of you have y'all's freedom crown. We're growing this community together, we're growing our dreads together, and we're learning as we go. And make sure if you are new to this channel, go and hit that subscribe button and hit that like button on the video. That way we can keep the ball rolling on this content. I'm dropping bangers every Tuesday, so y'all come and subscribe to Let It Marinate. This is not just a dread channel, this is a life advice, motivational channel. I'm gonna be taking you guys everywhere with me. I'm gonna be doing some traveling, I'm gonna be on my motorcycle, I'm gonna be just doing all types of stuff with you guys. I guess you could say Let It Marinate is a channel that's gonna give you something to think about. You know, whether it's life advice, you're going through something, we're gonna talk it out. Whether it's business, you trying to grow your business, I've been there, I've done it. I work from home with my wife. We've been doing it for like a year now, and all of this stuff, you know, social media, anything y'all want to talk about on Let It Marinate, comment it down below and we gonna hash it out. We're gonna go back and forth, man. I'm telling you, this gonna be a channel to remember. So hey, I love you guys. Thank you for all the love and support. But hey, it's your boy Trey Smith, your host of Let It Marinate, bringing you love, peace, and prosperity forevermore throughout your life. Don't you forget it. And I'll see you guys on the next video. All right, peace.